Austrian company Bahnbau Wels aimed to be among the early adopters of our innovative E3 technology. In mid-2019, the new m.b.H mechanised maintenance train in the E3 design was put on track. The Unimat 09 8x4 4S Dynamic E3 is a track and turnout tamping machine with an integrated stabilisation trailer. The new 8x4 4S tamping unit combines the advantages of a one-sleeper tamping unit with the advantages of a two-sleeper turnout tamping unit. It's highly flexible, reaches all tamping zones perfectly, and it saves time. This makes track maintenance significantly faster. In early October 2019, a large-scale all-electric test run started in the Austrian federal state of Styria, close to the city of Leoben. The electric-driven machines maintained the 5-kilometre worksite without difficulty. They offered a wonderful demonstration of the E3 technology's quiet and eco-friendly performance. The Austrian Federal Railways provided a track section for an all-electric test run, and Plasser Theurer provided an experienced operating team. In this test run, the machines already showed how efficient they are. The new BDS 2004 E3 is our fully developed system for cost-efficient ballast maintenance on tracks and turnouts. The front part of the machine holds the shoulder ploughs, split centre plough, ballast distribution devices and ballast hopper with floor conveyor belt. The BDS can pick up surplus ballast from track or turnout sections. It is stored in the hopper, or the ballast distributing unit places it exactly where additional ballast is needed. Two operator seats provide an excellent view onto the shoulder ploughs, ballasting belts and ballast chutes. To ensure a perfect view, the cabin floor has been fitted with windows. The exact placement of the ballast in the tamping zones enables the BDS system and the tamping machine to interact perfectly with each other. The output of the BDS system is adapted precisely to the output of a high-capacity tamping machine. The ballast pickup unit holds the sweeper brush with a steep conveyor belt and the second sweeper brush with a transverse conveyor belt. In early 2020, several approval inspections will take place before the machines are put into regular operation in spring. The new m.b.H in E3 design will not only be used in Austria, but also in Germany and Switzerland.